Good afternoon, everybody. On behalf of Washington Area Women's Foundation, I'd like to thank the American Association for Affirmative Action for this tremendous honor. I can't think of an award we'd be more proud to receive than the Edward M. Kennedy Community Service Award. As you all know, Senator Kennedy is known for his commitment to equality and fairness, and it's a huge, huge part of his legacy, and we owe him so much for this and for everything that he did for our country. At Washington Area Women's Foundation, we are committed to a brighter future for women and girls and for our entire community. I know you're from a lot of different parts of the country, but in this area, in the Washington region, we have hundreds of thousands of women and girls living in poverty, at the poverty line, just above the poverty line, but struggling to put food on the table every day for themselves and their families. Many of them, the majority of them, women and girls of color. Many of them living in circumstances that are the result of generational cycles of poverty that they are struggling to get out of. And we know that when you invest in women and girls, they will invest in their families, they will transform their lives, they will transform the lives of their families, and they will transform the entire country in so doing. And that's why we do what we do. And so we are helping them access resources and opportunities that will enable them to reach their full potential. We're helping to break down the social barriers that limit their access, and we're really focused on helping build a better community and a better country for all of us. So I thank all of you. I thank the American Association for Affirmative Action for this honor and for believing in the promise and value of women and girls and in the Women's Foundation. Thank you so much.